Welcome back to MVP Auto, where we bring you the latest and most exciting reviews from the world of cars and motorhomes. Today we are diving into something that blends practicality with modern design, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome. This vehicle has been generating a lot of attention thanks to Peugeot's innovative approach, sleek European styling, and its promise to deliver both comfort and efficiency on the road. If you are someone who loves adventure but refuses to compromise on luxury and modern tech, this motorhome deserves your attention. When we start with the exterior, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome carries the brand's signature design language, sharp LED headlights, a bold grille, and smooth aerodynamic lines that make it stand out compared to traditional boxy RVs. Peugeot has given this motorhome a futuristic vibe with flush door handles, large panoramic windows, and stylish alloy wheels that enhance its premium road presence. The rear is equally impressive, with LED tail lamps that run across the back, adding a touch of sophistication. It's not just about style though, the design is engineered to reduce drag, which helps with fuel efficiency during long-distance travel. Stepping inside, the interior is where Peugeot really elevates the motorhome experience. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a simple camper van. High-quality materials, soft touch finishes, ambient LED lighting, and a spacious open layout greet you as soon as you walk in. Peugeot has maximized every inch of space to ensure functionality without sacrificing comfort. There's a modern kitchenette equipped with smart appliances, a convertible dining area, and a cozy sleeping zone that can comfortably fit a small family. The panoramic skylight and large side windows flood the interior with natural light, making the space feel even bigger and more inviting. On the technology side, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It comes with a fully digital cockpit, a large infotainment screen with seamless smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and an advanced navigation system designed specifically for motorhome travel. There are multiple USB and wireless charging ports, a premium audio setup, and even smart climate control that allows you to customize different zones inside. Safety is also a big focus here, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to make driving and parking stress-free. When it comes to performance, Peugeot has equipped this motorhome with an efficient yet capable powertrain. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose between a hybrid setup for better fuel economy or a full electric version that offers impressive range for sustainable travel. The ride quality is smooth, with advanced suspension systems that absorb road imperfections, ensuring comfort for long journeys. Handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size, making it easier to maneuver both on highways and tighter city streets. Talking about price, Peugeot aims to make this motorhome competitive within the luxury segment. Early estimates suggest a starting price around $85,000 to $95,000, depending on configuration and features. While it's not the cheapest option, the combination of modern design, premium interior, advanced tech, and eco-friendly performance makes it a strong value for those looking for a future-ready motorhome. Overall, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is an impressive package that combines style, comfort, and innovation. It's perfect for travelers who want to explore without giving up modern luxuries. This could be a serious game changer in the motorhome market. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to MVP Auto for more reviews on the latest cars, SUVs, and motorhomes. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts on the new Peugeot Motorhome. Would you take this beauty on your next road trip? Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Would you like me to make this script a little more casual and conversational, like a YouTube host speaking directly to the audience, or keep it polished and professional like a magazine-style review?